It would appear that way.
It's going.
I have visual. It's just a animal.
What we got?
Union Pacific. You like that response?
Oh, dude, we got the flag? No, just reflections.
No, we have the flag on the second one.
Okay, here we go. Fuck yeah, it is. He's cruising.
He is pulling.
Yeah, he's on fucking hell.
Oh god damn it, it's not even BNSF. Wait, oh never mind. I swear to god it didn't look like it. And it has no ditch lights on, that's interesting.